And just like that, we're back, folks. All right, guys, so we're back at Nor Cal Hobbies for the biggest off-road carpet race of the year, Top Gun. And they have a great turnout. Racers showed up from all over the place. Racers Den, AMain, and of course, Nor Cal Hobbies. So there's a ton of people in here. We're gonna go ahead and push a camera through the place, and you're not gonna wanna miss this epic head-to-head carpet racing action. So stay tuned.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Then I saw you.
Shoot that down. 250 to go. That's gonna be Marco taking over the top spot. Marco 9/10 up on Jackson. Jackson 9 seconds up on Theo. Got 230 down, 230 to go.
Okay.
Most of our leaders cross the line, starting on lap number 8. Marco just 3/10 of a second ahead of Jackson.
Sold out all the fast guy tires. Do a quick tour through the shop here. Are you working or playing?
A little bit of both.
Turning tight ones.
Be careful on this road. All clear.
Honestly, I just hear some good stuff happening. Other than that story up in Oroville that happened. The shooting from that and then you're gonna come back right now.
Yeah.
1 minute to go. Zach Jackson 15:20, Marco 14:02, Theo 13:05. Right now Jackson 2.5 up on Marco. 45 seconds left. All right, 35 seconds to go.
20.1, 36.3, 22.6, 26.1,
Welcome everybody to the 14th running of this Top Gun race. I want to say we missed 1 year during the pandemic, but yeah, I want to say first race started in '09, I want to say. So thanks for everybody for making it out. Welcome. A lot of you guys are coming from tracks from afar, so much appreciated. Going to go over some of the basic stuff we do out here at Nor Cal, things to do or not to do. First up, this is a brand new track layout. Nobody's got home field advantage on this surface. Actually, that's true because we actually laid some new carpet last night. I want to thank a lot of the people that came out last night and spent some hours out here doing this track for everybody to run on today. The following families helped out. Big thank you to the Hughes family for the pizza as well. Mark's from the Sacramento area, the Keatses, the Lowe's. Also to our regulars, Carlos Cortez, Martin Arroyo, Jeff, Omar, Jordan, Bryant, and of course, our very own Art Cardinale, who's been my right-hand man on this stuff. Thank you guys, thank you so much.
Here we go. Oh, here's something. A little downside drive there. I think we broke right on the tail.
I had a good chance to
Right on the tailgate.
couldn't capitalize.
Alright, so top two cars, just a little bit of a gap here on this car. Taylor Rowe, right bicycle there. You can see that. Alright, here's the car. Let's do this. Alright, 40 in. Now, here's up to 6 tenths ahead of Gross. 2.6 ahead of EG. 2.4 ahead of Taylor. Taylor, 1 second up on Ryan. 50 seconds down, 4 seconds to go, riders. Ryan, Eric, fall back, Julian, Ryan, Chris, Carlos, Brandon, Jeff, and Jordan. Oh, we got one into the patch fence. EG with a little bit of a misaligned trajectory there. That's good, Ryan. So breathing over here. And EG 4.8 back of the race leader. EG 1.3 back of EG. Taylor in this battle. One to be down, 3 left.
Oh.
Oh, race leader having some problems. I just put EG and BG right on his tailgate. 150 out, 310 to go, battle for the lead down the last straight. Alright, 2 minutes in, 3 minutes to go. Here's what's it now. About a second ahead of the BG battle. BG. 1 set down, 250 remain. 1 separate the 2 G's. That's Gross and Gonzalez. Gross now to the 2. Here, what's down to the top. Line to the top. Harrison the 2 running out back to the 3. 25 inches, 35 to go. Brian, Eric Brian, 2 top 3 ball out Jimmy during the set. George on Rose Chris. EG dog, EG to take the lead. So Eric Gonzalez, the birthday boy on top of the leaderboard. That is the goal to have purple one coming up on Cortez. Good teamwork. Back to the 2, and we do the 2. 2 minutes remain. Eric Gonzalez out front, trail by there, Forte and Gross. It's up to his battle here in the stadium front. About 50 remain. Great thing, got that first one, goal, second place, to go to the third place. Yo, blue and white. We got about 45 to go. Gross flips the back heel with the second place truck. 40 remains, trouble from here, Forte. Gross to the 2. Buck 35 left. EG has 1.5 up on BG. Got BG 28 ahead of Forte. 120 remaining, drivers. Down the back straight, they go. Gonzalez holds down the lead. 0.8 ahead of Ryan. Ryan 0.7 ahead of Ryan. 5 minutes ahead to go, drivers. I lead now over to takeoff. EG getting a little long. BG has nowhere to go. EG on his side, so Rear Forte takes advantage. Down the back straight they go. Side by side. Okay, go ahead by it. Gross in the deep spot. 45 seconds left. Yellow, blue, big trail by the white, blue, orange, yellow. Down the back straight they go. EG still in shouting distance. 35 seconds left. 1 second. You're about to start that out. Alright, 25 seconds remain. EG fall back a bit, so now it's just Brian and Brian. 8 tenths is the gap. And we put the ball on Jordan Justin. 15 seconds left. 8 seconds to go. Looks like our leaders should get by with one more. 5 seconds, 4, 3, and they do make it by 1-1. Next time this song should be done. Good job, Jordan. Oh, DP tried to go for the hero move on the final lap. It did not work out. Doesn't go there.
Yeah.
Oh!
We got 20 seconds in. How do you do that? I will in the air. We have wet set and out. Alright, 20 seconds in. Joey is on hold. We'll get it down 4 minutes ago.
There you go, Mary Fuentes. You got it right here.
Here's one thing the recall I count one says we're in the air. Whoa. Let me change up a bit.
Yeah! Woo! Dance!
Damn. I think you should get a helmet for that. Nice work, Dave.
Middle. 1 minute to go, Brian. 1 minute to go. You'll be like an out 5, out 7, 4 seconds up on that second place out. Got cold in this boat. 46 out of that coming out. 45 seconds remaining here. 40 seconds remaining. Literally has 2 laps. these guys think about it one more. Yep, one more lap. You think about it one more lap. Actually, we got top line. Now. More cars. We're remaining on the clock here. Hey, we'll be here with you guys.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.